Welcome to qnawire.
Given the triangle, if we know that at A is 20 degrees and at B is 40 degrees, then we can find the entire angle Z, because so far that's 60 and there's 180, so that's got to be 120 degrees. There's always 180 degrees in a triangle. This will allow us to find, for instance, XZ, even though we're not being asked to directly find that, but using the law of sines, we could say something like the sine of 40 degrees over its opposite side is equal to the sine of 120 degrees over its opposite side, L, which is 1100. And we can find xz by cross multiplying. Cross multiply and then divide both sides by the sine of 120 degrees, and we've got ourselves solved for xz. Make sure your calculator is in degree mode, and it's 1100 sine 40 over sine 120, and that's 816.45. And now we can find the height using right triangle trig. Ratios, sine, cosine, tangent. And from the 20-degree angle, the height that we want to find is the opposite, and we now know the hypotenuse, so that would be sine. And so we can say that the sine of 20 degrees is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse, which it says do not round it to the final answer. So I don't want to use 816.45. We want to use this here. So we can do that because you would multiply it to the other side of the equation anyway, so it'd be sine 20 times 1100 sine 40 over sine 120. And that would be equal to h. Again, because this quantity that's in the denominator just multiply to the other side anyways, which I've already got stored in the calculator. I just need to take that 1100 sine 40 over sine 20 and just multiply it by another sine 20. 279.24. 279.24.